Hello, welcome to this fantastic training on Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is the software for collaboration. So first of all, why using Teams? Okay, so you can see here I have my Teams client. This is I downloaded on my computer, this one. But you have also, of course, this one, and this one is the web client. Okay, so no, not this one, sorry. The web client is when you type teams.microsoft.com. Okay, so if I go here and I type teams.microsoft.com here, it's the web client. And really the web client is really the same. I don't see a lot of difference between this web client here and this client. This client is when you want to download this client on your computer. Okay, if you can download it, of course it's better because maybe you can have more feature. But really with the web client, it's exactly the same thing. It's like if you are talking about me about Outlook and Outlook Web Access. Okay, it's really the same. Okay, so it's used by people in teams who want to do collaboration in real time with the same group of people. You can invite also people from outside your company, but you must, set it in your configuration. Helps teams looking to quickly iterate on a project while sharing files and collaboration on shared delivery. This is very nice also because you can really have a project and work on it. It's very, very simple. And allow people wishing to connect a wide range of tools to their workspace, such as Planner, Power BI, GitHub, or other solution. Remember that if SharePoint Online is not activated in your tenant, so I will put it in black, this in bold, Teams user cannot share files in Teams. Okay, user in private chat also cannot share files because OneDrive for Business, which is linking to the SharePoint license, is required for this feature. Okay, so be aware about that. You cannot have Teams without SharePoint and OneDrive. And why? Because I have a very good example. Is that when you create here your teams. So for example, here I have a team. The name is Office365 training. This is a team and I have free channel. Okay, free channel is a way you can speak like on a project. For example, here maybe I'm going to post some files and chat with people about Exchange Online. This one will be documentation and this is general. Okay, and after I can go on these docs here and for example say okay, manage each channel, get email address. So I can, people can send directly an email on this email address, for example. So he will create an email address with this channel. And this is amazing because if I have 3 people or 10 people working on a project, I will not have to send them an email on their mailbox. Okay, I'm just going to send it one here and all the people will see the email, the information here. Okay, so when you create a team and when you create channel, of course, he's creating automatically on SharePoint. See this site here. So it's like a site, and channel 1, channel 2. So remember that it's very important. Okay, because otherwise, of course, you don't have SharePoint and OneDrive, it will not work. So, but I don't know. I really don't know company who are not using SharePoint and OneDrive. And Exchange also, okay, it's very important. Why? Because for each user, the Microsoft Teams chat files, OneDrive folder is used to store up the share file in private conversation with other user, and with permission automatically configured to receive access, like you can see here. And you need also Exchange, of course, because you must have Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, and Office 365 groups. Okay, Exchange, this is normal Exchange. If you don't have Exchange, I don't know how I can send you email. Now let's talk about the client. The first one is the web client. The web client is really fantastic. Okay, it's amazing. You just have to type this URL and you are connected. That's all. So you need to download any requirements. You just need something is that if you have Internet Explorer IE, so Internet Explorer version 11, you will have to install the FIC client. Okay, so the FIC client is this one, the download client, this one. It's working with Edge, Chrome. For the meeting, you must have at least the version 59, and Firefox call and meeting doesn't work actually. After you can download the client here. So here's the URL for downloading the client. So you don't have to have admin permission. But on Mac you must have. So if you are on a Windows box and you're not admin, it will work. And mobile, of course, it's working with all the mobile Android, iOS, and Windows Phone. And remember that the client are automatically updated without admin intervention. So this is very nice. Okay, so this is the first video of this course. So now after that, we're gonna speak about the how can you call somebody who's outside your company like a normal telephone. See you. Bye bye.